Luxury sports cars have long been a symbol of speed, style, and sophistication. These high-performance machines have not only set the standard for automotive engineering, but have also redefined what it means to drive with passion and precision. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the evolution of luxury sports cars, from their early days to the high-tech, high-performance machines we see today. From iconic designs to cutting-edge technology, luxury sports cars have always pushed the boundaries of what's possible in automotive engineering. A luxury sports car is more than just a fast car. It is a combination of high performance, advanced engineering, and exquisite design. Some key features that define luxury sports cars include performance. These cars are built for speed and precision. From lightweight construction to powerful engines, every detail is designed for maximum performance. Design. The aesthetic appeal of luxury sports cars is unmatched. The designs are not only visually stunning, but also functional, improving aerodynamics, reducing drag, and optimizing handling. Exclusivity. Luxury sports cars are often produced in limited numbers, making them rare and highly desirable. They are crafted with the finest materials and often come with bespoke options, ensuring that each car is unique to its owner. Luxury sports cars embody the perfect balance of speed, style, and luxury. The origins of luxury sports cars can be traced back to the early 20th century. However, it wasn't until the 1950s and 1960s that these vehicles began to gain real traction. Ferrari 250 GTO, 1962. One of the earliest examples of a luxury sports car, the Ferrari 250 GTO, was not only beautiful to look at, but also had unparalleled performance. It was lightweight, fast, and a key player in motorsports. Porsche 911, 1964. The Porsche 911 is one of the most iconic sports cars ever made. It became synonymous with high-performance engineering and remains a symbol of the luxury sports car market. Jaguar E-Type, 1961. Known for its stunning design and performance, the Jaguar E-Type was a revolutionary sports car of the 1960s that brought cutting-edge technology and beautiful styling to the forefront. These early models set the foundation for what would become an entire segment of high-performance luxury automobiles. The 1980s and 1990s marked the golden age of luxury sports cars, with manufacturers pushing the limits of speed, design, and technology. During this era, new brands and models began to emerge that defined the era of performance automobiles. Lamborghini Countach, 1985. With its iconic sharp angles, wide stance, and V12 engine, the Countach became a symbol of excessive performance and luxury. It remains one of Lamborghini's most recognizable models. Ferrari F40, 1987. The Ferrari F40 was a radical departure from its predecessors, focusing on lightweight and aggressive performance. It was the first Ferrari to break the 200 mph barrier and set new standards for supercars. McLaren F1, 1992. The McLaren F1 was a groundbreaking vehicle, featuring a central driving position and achieving a top speed of over 240 mph. It remains one of the most important cars in the history of luxury sports cars. The 1980s and 1990s brought innovations in performance, speed, and design that took luxury sports cars to new heights. Today's luxury sports cars combine high-performance capabilities with advanced technology and environmental consciousness. Here are some key features of modern luxury sports cars. Hybrid technology. Many of today's luxury sports cars feature hybrid powertrains, combining a traditional engine with electric motors for more power, efficiency, and lower emissions. Models like the Ferrari SF90 Straight-Aisle and McLaren P1 are prime examples. Advanced aerodynamics. Modern luxury sports cars, such as the Porsche 918 Spider and Lamborghini Aventador, are equipped with active aerodynamic systems. These systems adjust elements like the rear spoiler and diffusers to enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. Autonomous features. Some luxury sports cars are now equipped with semi-autonomous features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous parking systems, adding an extra layer of convenience without compromising performance. The modern luxury sports car is a perfect blend of speed, innovation, and luxury, offering drivers an unparalleled experience. Several iconic brands have become synonymous with luxury sports cars, each bringing their unique blend of performance, style, and craftsmanship. Ferrari. Ferrari is perhaps the most iconic name in luxury sports cars. With legendary models like the Ferrari 488 GTB and Ferrari LaFerrari, the brand continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. Lamborghini. Known for its extreme designs and powerful performance, Lamborghini is the epitome of bold, luxury sports cars. Models like the Aventador and Huracan deliver high speeds and high thrills. Porsche. Porsche's 911 and 918 Spyder are mainstays in the luxury sports car segment. The company is known for its precision engineering and ability to combine everyday drivability with racetrack performance. McLaren. McLaren offers a range of high-performance sports cars, including the 720S and the McLaren P1. Their cars are known for their lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics, making them a favorite among performance enthusiasts. These iconic brands have set the standard for what a luxury sports car should be, delivering unparalleled performance, luxury, and exclusivity. The future of luxury sports cars is looking more exciting than ever. As technology advances, so too does the potential for these vehicles. Here are some trends we can expect to see in the coming years. Electric supercars. With the rise of electric technology, many luxury sports car brands are embracing electric drivetrains for performance cars. The Tesla Roadster, Rimac C2, and Porsche Taycan are just the beginning of a wave of electric supercars that promise speed, zero emissions, and cutting-edge performance. Autonomous driving. Future luxury sports cars may feature fully autonomous driving systems, allowing drivers to enjoy the performance of their cars on the track while the car handles the driving on highways and busy roads. Sustainability. As the world becomes more eco-conscious, luxury sports car manufacturers are focusing on sustainability. New models will likely incorporate recyclable materials, eco-friendly production processes, and more efficient energy consumption. The future of luxury sports cars will feature even more advanced technologies, sustainable practices, and unmatched performance, making these vehicles the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and responsibility. Luxury sports cars have come a long way from their humble beginnings. What started as a niche market for enthusiasts has now become an integral part of the automotive industry. With their high-performance capabilities, advanced technology, and unmatched luxury, these cars continue to push the limits of what's possible in automotive design and engineering. As we look to the future, luxury sports cars will continue to evolve, embracing new technologies, embracing sustainability, and offering an ever greater driving experience. Whether it's a classic Ferrari, a modern Lamborghini, or a future electric supercar, these vehicles will remain the epitome of speed, style, and sophistication for years to come. Luxury sports cars represent the pinnacle of engineering, performance, and style, and they will continue to captivate the hearts of car enthusiasts for generations. Let me know if you need any further adjustments. This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using InVideo AI.